Waffle? Why is Sam asking if you're in your room?
Get ready for the shitstorm.
Well, she's just been going through a pretty hard time lately, so I've just been trying to,
Trying to what, Waffle?
Well, I've just been trying to be a good friend.
A good friend? Why don't you try being a good boyfriend?
Are you kidding me?
Oh, don't say that, Serena. You know how much I care about you.
Oh my god, I'm tired of your shit. You act like I'm not good enough for you, and that's such bullshit. Like, what the hell am I doing wrong?
Nothing. You're perfect.
You are actually the Antichrist.
I can't believe you. You don't realize that you have the best girlfriend in the entire fucking world. You know, I might as well drive off a cliff because I bet you wouldn't even care.
Do it. You won't.
Oh, come on, don't say that.
No balls.
I'll do it. What if this is the last conversation we ever have? Would you be happy with how you're acting right now? Would you be satisfied, Waffle? You are the worst boyfriend ever.
Was the $10,000 in number 4? Are you ready, audience? 1,
Call me when you're ready to apologize.
3, now!
I am saying this as your friend, but your girlfriend is actually a psychopath.
I wouldn't say that.
Oh yeah, then what would you say?
Well, she's just...
I'd say she's batshit crazy.
It's just like way too jealous, man. How do you put up with it?
I mean, I don't know. She has her moments, but what am I supposed to do?
I don't know, maybe. Maybe you should find someone who treats you like a human being. Wow, crazy, I know.
Yeah, like a human being. Rather than a literal bag of shit.
I'm hungry. Wanna get some brunch?
Yeah, I can. Serena wants to talk soon.
Dude, brunch.
Yeah,
Come on.
No, I can't. She's gonna be so mad if I'm late.
Alright, fine. But I'll see you later, Waffle. Have fun!
Oh, we will.
Minutes, Danny Hall, room 306. Don't keep me waiting. Bye.
What a bitch.
You have come to know your fortune, yes? Come, sit. Your heart. You must follow your heart.
Is there more to that, or?
I need more of your energy to seek further. Your name is Waffle. I see a relationship. Things aren't going very well. Now I see a dark place, an empty place. You fear this solitude. Now I see. You will meet someone very, very soon, Waffle. And you will marry them. But opportunity may vanish, leaving you a very, very lonely Waffle. Forever. But I have said too much. You must go now, Waffle. Go. Find your future. Go.
Okay.
Waffle! There you are. Listen, I wanted to talk to you about last night. I wanted to apologize about getting mad or whatever, but you still should have been texting Sam. I'll let it slide though. I think we can make things work, you know. I've been thinking a lot about it, and I feel like... Waffle, you're not even listening to me. I literally cannot even with you right now. This is exactly what I'm talking about. I can't believe you. I'm such a good girlfriend to you, and you don't even notice it. You don't notice anything. It's your fucking problem.
I think we should stop seeing each other. Forever.
Sam! I just broke up with Serena.
Are you fucking kidding me? Yes! Randall!
What's in the box?
And some chicken? Have some. Who's she?
I don't know.
Then why don't you go find out, breakfast boy?
Hey, I saw you at the fortune teller.
Yeah, I remember you.
Well, I just wanted to let you know that, I think you're really pretty. So if you ever wanted to do something sometime,
I have a boyfriend.
Okay, well, if you ever want to try something new.
Oh, dude, how'd it go?
I was supposed to find the one. The fortune teller told me I would meet her.
And you believed her? Come on, how can anyone know the future?
And you don't get it. She knew things about me.
Then maybe she wasn't the one.
Yeah, I don't know.
Look, don't be so blue, Waffle, okay? Things will happen when they happen. Just don't worry about the future so much. Just worry about you. Right here. Come on. I'll get us some ice cream. How about that?
Yeah, I'd like that.
Oh, it's so fucking beautiful! I can't